Planeticide Agent here. Today this is going to be part 3 of series on the Alocs cook set here. And this one I'm going to take a look at burn tests between using the kit itself compared with just using a regular, like in this case it's an Esbit pot stand boil test. And the reason behind it is I notice on this one, if you notice, there's quite a gap here between the top of the stove of the burner and also where the bottom of the pot. And normally the sweet spot on these alcohol stoves is going to be around 1 inch, and this one is 2 inches and 5/16 between here and here. And if you watched the boil test in part 2, you found that the Alocs, the stove that came with it, took 9 minutes to boil, and the Trangia took just under 8, 5 minutes and 52 seconds to burn with this at this distance. So I was curious which what the burn time would be with using the exact same pot on a regular stand that's at the correct height. And so I'm going to do a burn test with this. And let's see, I'm probably for this video I'm not going to do another burn test at this setup since I already did it in the previous video. I'm just going to take that clip and add it to this video. I think I'll do this one first and then add this one at the back in case you've already watched part 2 and you don't feel like watching it again. So I'll put this as the second burn to see how comparison. So, and if you haven't seen part 2, then go ahead and stick around and watch the rest of the burn. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and turn you off here for a second and get the burn test all set up, and I'll get back to you. Okay, I got the burn test all set up. Before I do, I will do a measurement here, and the distance between the top of the pot stand and the top of the burner is 1 inch and 3/16. So it's a little over 1 inch lower than it is in the the Alocs. So anyway, I've got 2 cups or 16 ounces of water at 52 degrees, and we'll go ahead and get this started here. There we go. Give it a second here to bloom, and then I'll put the pot on. Probably won't need to wait that long. I'm going to go ahead and set her on there right now. And we'll see how long it takes to boil. I'll give you a little bit of a burn, what the burn looks like. Can't tell a whole lot with this windscreen, but there it is if you're curious. Okay, we're up to 2:01, 7 minutes and 12 seconds. So we should be getting to boil here shortly. Looks like there's not going to be a whole lot of difference. I guess spoiler, since I'm going to show this burn next, between the 2 burns. There you go, 7:36. Okay, so with the 1 inch gap with this particular pot stand, it took 7 minutes and 36 seconds. So I'll go ahead and shut this down, and actually I'm going to just insert next the burn test I did yesterday with the on the Alocs kit, and then I'll get back to you with a summary at the end. Okay, on to the last test. This will be with the Trangia burner in the Alocs cook set. I've got, again, 16 ounces of water, make sure I got that right, at 52 degrees, and we'll go ahead and get this fired up. Hit the button, and we're off. So we'll We'll see how long this takes to get going. The start of this already looks better. Mostly blue flame, and it's at a bloom in 17 seconds. Anyway, let's bring you down and look at the flame pattern on the Trangia. There you go. Okay, we're at 200 degrees in about 7 minutes and 24 seconds. This is definitely burning much hotter than the Alocs burner. Yeah, there we go. Whoop, drop back 1 degree. There we go, 7 minutes and 52 seconds. Okay, to summarize, it doesn't appear that the larger gap, which was the 2 5/16 between the top of the burner and the bottom of the pot, and the just one of your more standard pot stand wind burners, which this one was 1 3/16, didn't really seem to make that big a difference in the boil times. Again, this one was, like I said, had 2 cups at 52 degrees. It took 7 minutes and 52 seconds to burn. And on top of the Esbit pot stand, again 16 ounces at 52 degrees. It took 7 minutes and 36 seconds. So you're talking just less than 20-second difference. So not really enough to make a difference. I thought there might be more of a difference, but evidently not. So really, I can't really find much faults with this kit. I mean, the price is good, the construction is good, and it's relatively compact. So overall, not a bad little kit. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.